Hello, so for today we're going to take a quick look at how the current NFL prediction algorithm performed against 2019 season. So if we take a look, the output of the algorithm looks something like this. So it gives us for each week its predicted winners for each match. And if we look over here, this is the week by week accuracy table. So for week 1, we correctly predicted 8 matches out of 15. Week 2, 16 out of 16, and so on. And over here is the chart of the accuracy over the season as it progressed. And this is a pretty typical season for this algorithm. It does much better in the first half of the season, and then it starts to peter off towards the end. The current algorithm uses momentum to predict future performance from a team by week. And it looks like there can be a bit more information extracted. In particular, the fact that momentum matters a little bit less in the second half of the season. So future improvements to the algorithm would include taking into account whether or not you're in the first or second half of the season, and how does a given team perform as a season progresses. The other bit of information is whether or not a team tends to perform better against another team over year. So if we look, our worst week was around week 10, so the halfway point. And it got down to around 60%, or a little over half of the predictions. The first week doesn't really count because it's just randomly guessing at that point. It uses the home team to determine whether or not, to predict whether or not a team will win.